Let's do an overview of these geographic range practice problem and the distance of the horizon table. And we might as well just jump right into the first problem. And it says this: what is the geographic range of a light that's 25 feet tall and your height of eye is 30 feet? So we set up these problems the same way every time and it gets good results. We just say the height of the object, what does that equal? And the height of your eye, what does that equal? In practice problem 1, the height of the object is the light and it's 25 feet. So it's 25 feet. And we say, okay, what's that going to translate to on the table? And then your height of eye is 30 feet. You're 30 feet. What's that going to translate to from the table? So then we reference our distance of the horizon table. And we say 25, and we go down the height in feet. Here's 25 at the very bottom here. 25 is 5.9 nautical miles. 5.9 nautical miles to the horizon. And 30, cruise down here, 30 is 6.4 nautical miles. See that? 30, 6.4 nautical miles to the horizon. Now we add these up, and I'll explain why later. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry the 1, that's 6, and 6 is 12. We get 12.3 nautical miles. Okay, so what do we do? What we did was this. Here's the Earth. The Earth has a curved surface, right? Let's say this is the horizon. Over here, we have an object. And that object, there's a certain distance to the horizon, right? So the object was 25 feet tall, which gave us a distance to the horizon of 5.9 nautical miles. So we could say this is the object. And it was 25 feet tall. And then over here we have the height of the eye, right? So we can say, here's the height of the eye, and it was 30 feet tall. It yielded 6.4 nautical miles. So if your object to the horizon is 5.9 and your eye to the horizon is 6.4, this entire distance here is going to be 12.3. And that's the geographic range. That's like the physical geographic range that, let's say, a VHF radio could reach from this height of an antenna to this height of an antenna over the horizon. So this is essentially the distance in which the Earth's curve does not get in the way. Because if you're shorter, you'll just hit the Earth and your signal won't be able to transmit. So this is the premise of geographic range. And we'll do 3 practice problems as well as this overview, and we should be good to go. We'll see you in the practice problems. If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider for your captain's license.